For saving the day.
Let's go. All right, Jackson up first.
It's even in all Japanese.
It's an authentic paint marker.
I'm gonna John Hancock this bitch. Y'all better take up some.
I'm trying to go over what I just did.
Yeah, McCallister needs to have the biggest one. This is his baby.
I mean, y'all paid for it, so it's kind of whatever. But I'm gonna John Hancock if there's room to John
I
Hancock.
kind of want to fix it.
Why did he ruin
Chad,
Why did he ruin it?
shipping
Is
it
the
with the
first
brownie.
message I see.
Why is this so good?
Oh, that's boring.
For life.
Ooh, Jonas is a little rizzy saucy.
All right, here you go,
All right,
McCallister. This is the
I
moment.
will warn my handwriting is shit. I just tested to make sure.
You want to try out
Be
a paper
genuine.
first before you can do it?
He's already gone.
He's gone.
Okay.
It's fine.
Let me give like a huge.
Beautiful. I would think so.
Okay.
Here's your nut button for reference, in case you forgot what it looked like. Nut.
Right, shout out to
Yeah.
Excal.
Oh yeah, well, I didn't mean that. Yeah, draw the actual logo.
The whole logo.
It's easy, bro. I mean, while you're at it, you might. I feel like when you're done, the toast needs some fry marks on it.
Oh, I like Pinky Tech. Editor.exe has stopped responding.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, they ruined it, and then he just said it just went down in value.
Let me put mine. This looks good.
See, we're making it a lot bigger deal than it really is. Because it's not like we haven't gotten rid of your stuff before that you've like.
But this is
upgraded
a
from.
whole computer.
I know.
It is
but
all
this-
computer.
Because I even know where my old computer, the one before this,